incident has been reported from Bagalkot, where heavy monsoon rain caused the roof of a house to collapse in Vallabhbhai, Nagar. A pet cat is being credited with saving the lives of a father and son who were inside the house at that time. The incident occurred during continuous heavy rainfall, which has already caused concern in many parts of the region, as farmers face problems due to an irregular monsoon. In Bagalkot, the heavy rain led to a dangerous situation where a house roof suddenly collapsed. The father, Shabbir Bagawan, and his son, Arbaz Bagawan, who live in Vallabhbhai Nagar and work as fruit traders, were at home when small piece of mud started falling from the roof due to the rain. At the same time, their pet cat suddenly ran out. The cat was hungry, and in an attempt to catch and feed it, Shabbir went outside. His son Arbaz also followed him. Just after they came out of the house, the entire roof collapsed. Later, Arbaz said that the cat ran outside when mud started falling, and his father went to catch it because it was hungry. He added that both of them followed the cat and came out just in time, and because of this, their lives were saved. Luckily, all other family members were not at home as they had gone to Vijayapura for a wedding function. So, only the father and son were present during the incident. Even though their lives were saved, the family suffered a heavy financial loss. The roof collapse destroyed household items such as utensils, food grains, and mango stock worth several lakhs of rupees kept for business. The trader, Shabbir Bagawan, has appealed to the district administration and the government to provide compensation for the loss. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.